Did you ever wish that you could snap your fingers and instantly make your family eat more fresh fruit and vegetables? There are ways that you can use to improve their eating habits. As we all know, the general rule of thumb is that we all should be eating at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables each and every day, but we all know that is easier said than done. We all have hectic schedules and sometimes it seems nearly impossible to meet our daily quotas. One of the reasons why we do not eat enough of these foods is that we all enjoy stopping into the convenience stores and filling up on junk food. What type of child would prefer a piece of fruit over a pizza? This is why you have to be creative to come up with some new ideas to help your family eat more fruits and vegetables. In this video we show you some fun ways that you can use to make your kids eat more fruits and vegetables. 1. Smoothies for breakfast. The best thing to do is to start the day with a breakfast smoothie or fresh squeezed juice. They are simple to make because all you have to do is to add some fruits, low-fat yogurt and ice to your blender, and if desired, you can also add a scoop of protein powder. Blend it for a few seconds and it makes an excellent breakfast. If you want to make it more appealing to your kids, add some frozen yogurt or a scoop of low-fat ice cream to it. They will be amazed that you are letting them eat ice cream for breakfast. 2. Dried fruits as snacks. Dried fruit is an excellent choice as it makes a great snack any time of the day. Raisins are great for your child's lunch pail and you can try yogurt-covered ones for your husband or wife. You should always keep some trail mix close at hand for snacking throughout the day. If your family enjoys eating cereal or oatmeal, add some fruit to it to spice it up. 3. Veggie sandwich. You can also add fruit and vegetables to sandwiches that you make for your family. Try adding a slice of banana to peanut butter sandwiches or top a chicken sandwich off with lettuce and tomato or a piece of cucumber. Try creating your own veggie sub sandwich and use vegetables that your family likes. 4. DIY mini salad bar. Another fun idea is to set up your own salad bar for dinner. You can use a variety of chopped vegetables along with cheese and croutons and your family will be able to create a salad tailored to their likes. Make sure to keep plenty of fruit and vegetable drinks in your fridge and encourage them to drink them when they want a snack, and that way, they can have their fruits and vegetables. You can also have family time and have everyone drink some juice while you are discussing how everyone's day went. 5. Be creative with desserts. Try putting a sum of yogurt or low-fat ice cream and top it off with some fresh or frozen fruit. You can use a variety of snacks for your family such as apple slices topped with peanuts or berries. Take cheese and cube it up and serve it with grapes, or cut up some fresh vegetables and serve them with ranch dip. 6. Be creative. Do not serve the same fruits and vegetables day in and day out. Try something new and exotic that will hold your family's curiosity, such as artichokes, plantains, papaya, mangoes, star fruit, or anything else that you can discover in the produce section in your local market. Cook plenty of vegetable soup or other stews and do not spare the vegetables. Make sure to not get carried away with the meat. Soups are great especially during the colder winter months. If you are able to apply some of these ideas to your family, they should be on their way to eating more fruits and vegetables, which will allow them to live a more healthy, balanced life.